Hair dye is one of many products used as part of a regular hair care regimen, but a recent study suggests using permanent hair dye or chemical straighteners could increase the risk of developing breast cancer. It is important to note this current research looks at women already at a higher than average risk for developing breast cancer.
You have to keep in mind that all women in this study already had a slightly higher risk of breast cancer because they not only had a family history, but it was a sister, so a very close first-degree relative who already had breast cancer. So that raises the risk and ups the ante a little bit to begin with.
This study looks at more than 50,000 women between the ages of 35 and 74 who had a sister diagnosed with breast cancer. Researchers found among the women studied, those who used permanent hair dye had a 9% increased risk of developing breast cancer. Those who used chemical hair straighteners had an 18% increased risk. Dr. Cruz says it's difficult to know how this risk translates to women who don't have a family history of breast cancer, since the study only looked at a high-risk group. It's also difficult to know what chemicals in the hair products could be linked to cancer risk, since the specific types of products used were self-reported and not studied specifically. However, Dr. Cruz says if you have your hair dyed or treated with chemicals, it's always a good idea to know what's in the products you're using.
It's certainly something that gets our attention. It's something we should all be aware of. I think at the very minimum, you can talk to the person who's providing your hair care to ask about what type of dye is this? Is this something that you've seen issues with before?
Dr. Cruz says the study results aren't enough to recommend women make big changes in their hair dyeing habits. However, she says it's always good to be aware of potential breast cancer risk factors we can control. Complete results of the study can be found in the International Journal of Cancer.